Hello, my name is Jeffrey Kirk. If you're a business owner, you're in the right place. Have you noticed that your Google business profile doesn't show up when you search for your business online? That's a problem. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix your Google business profile and make sure it's shining brightly for everyone to see. The first thing you should do is connect to your Google business profile. You can get there by going to business.google.com and then select your business. Sometimes you can simply do a search for your business in Google by name and your profile will show up at the top of the search results. Either way, once you're looking at your profile, the first thing to look for is a small status indicator. On a published profile, you should see a white check mark on a blue dot in the upper left of the profile touching your business logo image. If there's a problem, you'll see a white shield and an exclamation point on a red dot. Plus, you may also have an explanation that shows up below. In this example, it says the profile is not verified. Let's take a look at a few of the most common possible problems. These are things that can prevent your profile from showing up when someone searches for your business. Number 1, verification pending. If you recently created your profile or made changes to it, it might still be pending verification. Google needs to confirm that you're the legitimate owner of the business before displaying your profile publicly. Number 2 is incomplete information. Sometimes, if your profile has inaccurate details or is missing important information, like your address, phone number, or business hours, Google might not show it in the search results. Number 3, other concerns. There are other conditions in which Google needs more details or requires you to take additional steps before publishing. Number 4, suspension or removal. Google might suspend or remove a business profile if it violates their guidelines, their terms of service, or if there are significant issues with the information provided. So, you've confirmed there's a problem. Now, what can you do about it? Number 1, verify your profile. If your situation looks like the example I showed, you have to start the verification process. Click the Get Verified button. If your profile is already in the pending verification state, be sure to complete the verification process as soon as possible. Google might be sending a postcard to your business address with a verification code, so watch for that. Once you receive it, follow the instructions to complete the verification. Number 2, update your information. Check to see that all information on your profile is accurate and up to date. Make sure to provide your complete business address, phone number, website URL, and your business hours. This will not only help improve your visibility, but also make it easier for potential customers and clients to find you in your business. Number 3, review Google's guidelines. Take a moment to review Google's guidelines for business profiles. Make sure your profile complies with their policies to avoid any suspension or removal issues. You can find these guidelines on Google's support page. Just do a search. Number 4, appeal for reinstatement if necessary. If your profile has been suspended for any reason, you'll need to address the issue with Google directly. This could be due to violating their guidelines or providing inaccurate information. Contact Google support for assistance to resolve the suspension. If your profile has been suspended or removed and you believe that was done in error, you can submit an appeal to Google. In that case, you'll have to provide any relevant information or documentation to support your case, and they'll review it accordingly. And number 5, be patient. Sometimes it might take a little bit of time for changes to reflect in the search results. I recently had a case with a client's profile where I uploaded photos and the photos were rejected. I tried different photos, different sizes, shapes. It didn't matter. They were all rejected. I finally gave up and decided to wait. Several days later, they were approved. I wasted time for no good reason. I just needed more patience. So after you make any updates or submit appeals, be patient and keep an eye on the visibility over the next few days. And there you have it. By going through these steps and taking necessary actions, you should be able to fix your Google business profile and get it back in front of your potential customers. If you're watching this and you haven't claimed or optimized your Google Business Profile yet, I have a playlist with details on how to do it. Look for the link below for easy access. Remember, having a visible and accurate Google Business Profile is essential for attracting new customers and growing your business online. It's definitely worthwhile to put some time and effort into optimizing your profile. Now, are you wondering what to do next? How about an SEO audit of your website? I've got a free checklist for you. You can get it at upatdawn.biz/10audit. Go ahead and get that now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Your business deserves to be seen online, and I will help you get there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.